In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Circle.so integration within your WordPress site. This walkthrough is designed to be both comprehensive and easy to follow, so let's dive right in to get your online community connected and thriving. To start, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your main control panel where you manage all aspects of your WordPress site. If you're not sure how to access it, you can usually do so by adding WP admin to the end of your website's URL. Once you're in your WordPress dashboard, the next step is to navigate directly to the plugins section. You can find this in the sidebar menu. Click on Add New, and then in the search bar, type Circle. When you see the Circle, plugin appear in the list, click on Install Now, and then Activate. This activates the plugin, making it ready for further configuration. After activating your plugin, you'll need to adjust the Circle.so plugin settings. This starts back in your WordPress sidebar where you should now see Circle.so listed. Click on it to open up the plugin settings. Here comes a crucial step. You'll need to enter your Circle.so API key, client ID, and client secret. These credentials are vital because they establish the connection between your WordPress site and Circle, so allowing seamless integration. After you have entered this information, press connect to link the two platforms. Now that the technical details are set, it's time to decide which parts of your Circle.so content you want to share on your WordPress site. In the plugin settings, you'll find an option to choose the spaces or communities you'd like to display. Be selective here, as this choice will impact what your visitors see and interact with on your site. An optional yet highly recommended step is to customize the display settings of your Circle.so content. This allows you to adjust the look and feel to better match your WordPress theme, ensuring a cohesive user experience. You can tweak layout options, colors, and widgets to ensure everything looks just right. After making your selections, remember to click Save Changes to ensure your configurations are applied. Now you can move on to adding Circle.so content directly to a WordPress page or post. Choose whether you'd like to embed this content within a specific space or post. Finally, once your content with your setup, it's time to go live. Update or publish your page and your Circle.so content will now seamlessly appear on your WordPress site, ready for your audience to engage with. And there you have it, a fully integrated Circle.so community on your WordPress site. Whether you're fostering discussions, sharing updates, or building engagement, you now have the tools in place